Cookie, did you put in the flour? Shake it off. Good girl. What are you doing, Savvy?
I'm making cookies just like you.
Oops. All right, put that one down. Do another one. That one's giving you trouble. Put that in the flour. Here, try this one. Do that one there. We'll reball that one up. Here you go. Do this other one. What is that cookie going to look like? What's on your stamp? What's on the stamp? What's that stamp? What is that stamp in your hand? Is that a bell?
Yes. Ding dong.
Good job, Savannah. You made a bell. What are you making now, Savvy? What's that cookie's going to be? What is that one?
A reindeer.
Okay, a reindeer. Oh, hang on, let me help you. Turn it over, you're okay. I think you're okay. There he is. There's your reindeer. Say, look, Mommy, I made a reindeer.
Look, Mommy, I made a reindeer.